Tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Team A Intel Project Teaching Scenario, and in this video, we will present our results, our findings about teaching scenario. Okay, so our members is the first is Ririn Amelia, me Nabila Azuro, Rehana Salsabila, Tentri Amalia, and Rega Bagaskara. Okay, without any further ado, let's move to the first slide or first material. So here the objectives of the project. This project focus on developing for 11th grade students, developing the lesson. And then here's the objective. The first is develop lesson plans by utilizing technology in learning and reading and writing. And then make learning and teaching more interactive by using technology. And then in this project, we also have objectives that is provide teachers with a practical example of using technology to enhance the teaching of reading and writing with analytical text, and then with the hope of inspiring them to try similar method in the future. Okay, we move to the next material. Here is the project design. Firstly, we start from the planning stage. Here we define the target, which is the 11th grade students as for SMA and 5 Kota Jambi. And then after that, we enter the analyzing stage. In this stage, we conduct interviews with teacher to ask about the modules. And then we analyze the module. And also the results of this analysis will be used to determine the technology used. We use Lumi and then as well as the Google document and the material to be developed, namely analytical text with the theme of health and environment. And then after analysis is complete, we enter the developing stage. In this stage, we create the parts that is pre-activity, we create flashcard, and then while activity, while reading, we create drag and drop, multiple choice, truth or dare, and also in writing, we create practice writing, but we were not using technology. And then for the post activity, we create Google Documents for summary. And then for the assignment, we ask students to give feedback for their friends. And then finally, at the evaluation stage, the team conducts regular evaluations of the work to ensure the development process is going well. And then in this project, sadly, we could not collect feedback from the teacher to assess the effectiveness of using technology because the teacher have some business and the school is already off. Okay, that is our project design, planning, and then analyzing, developing, and then evaluating. So the next is the objects or participants in this project. So this learning unit is designed for grade 11 students. And then the theme is about health and environment with specific topics on COVID-19 vaccine. And this theme is in line with the content on the module. So this is based on the module. And also the technology here is Lumi, Google Drive, and documents. We use Lumi to create interactive materials such as quizzes or exercises. And then Google Drive and document to support collaboration between students. So for example, students can create and share summaries or analysis. And then here the target learners is actually 11th grade senior high school students. All right, so we move to the next material, that is the procedures that will be explained by Tentri. Tentri, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Here I will explain about the procedure. So, this section contains the step that our team took during the project, and each step has its own purpose and approach to ensure the effective of learning. And as you guys can see, there is a pictures of the project chart that contains all the steps of the work. So there are 5 steps. The first one is planning and preparation. In this session, we as a team start setting the objective of the project as explained by my friends before. We also plan the possible tools and technology to use in the class and analyze the main challenges that faced by students to select relevant learning resources. And the next step is the activities implementation. In this part, in the sections, our team has started to develop the module. We choose to create the activities designed to strengthen student vocabulary acquisitions with exercising using Lumi, flashcard, and visual-based discussions. And the next is while activity implementation. For the while activity, our team has agreed to divide it into two activities, such as while reading and while writing, where students will use Lumi to read and analyze about analytical exposition text material. And they will answer the question to ensure their comprehensions, and as well as practicing writing a thesis and outline based on visual clues from the teachers. And the next is post activities reflections. In these sections, students need to summarize their learning outcomes in written forms using Google Docs and discuss it in the class with the guidance of the teachers. And our team chose this because we think these reflections help students strengthen their understanding and can enhance their critical thinking skills. And the last is peer review and feedback. In the sections is the assignment or homework sections, and our team chose this activity to do because it covers a lot of knowledge in one, where they need to exchange draft of text that have previously worked on, and they have to comment on the structures and grammar of their trained content. This kind of things will actually improve students' skill because before assessing, they must definitely understand the content and structure of a good text so that they can learn to evaluate and improve their writings collaboratively. Okay, next is tools and techniques. So in the tools and techniques, the project involve four main tasks, each utilizing different tools, technology, and techniques to ensure effective learning. In the planning task, the tool that we use is Notebook to outline key details such as school, grades, skills, and materials to focus. And the technology we use is mobile phone to document these plans in a group chat. In phase 2 or in analysis phase, we use interview as a technique to collect data from the teacher. The tools are still mobile phone that used to record the interview and WhatsApp group and Zoom meeting, and that's used for online discussion to identify student challenges after receiving the modules and ensure it can address student needs. And the next in phase 3 development, or in the development phase, we start incorporating interactive technology to create modules such as interactive books in Lumi and Google Docs. And we choose Lumi because it's considered relevant and has many interesting features to create a more interactive class. And the tool that we use is a laptop to create the interactive book in Lumi and collaboratively edit the module. And the last is evaluation phase or phase 4. Our team evaluate all the activities, material, and exercise that create in Lumi. And for the tools, we use laptop and WhatsApp group and Zoom meeting for online discussion and feedback of the effectiveness of the project. And the focus of this phase was ensuring that all learning elements and material were tested and refined based on the feedback received. I think that's all from me, back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Tantri. So we're gonna move to the next material, project implementation, that will be explained by Ririn. Ririn, time is yours.
Okay. The project implementation, there is a timeline. The first week, we're doing the preparation and analysis. We're do the in the preparation we are determining target and location, and in the analysis we are interviewing the teacher. And the second week we are do the developing is reorganize the lessons plan that has been obtained. And the third week we are do the developing and evaluating themes, like the second week we are uh organize the lesson plan that has been and obtained. In evaluating we are do discussing again the work we have done. And last week, in of course in the fourth week we are do the finishing, make the video and the present the progress and the results. And next, in project implementation there is team roles and responsibilities. And the first one is there is Nabila Azura. She do develop the pre-stage in the module, and they contact the teacher and discuss the results of the project with the team. And then there is Rega Bagaskara Putra. He do create and develop the post activities and discuss the development of the project with the team. And next there is Raihana Salsabila. She's create and develop the while learning and activity, especially in the writing part, and discuss with the team about the overall outcome of the project. And of course, there's me, Ririn Amelia, create homework in the module and discuss the project with the team and fill the final report with the team. And the last, there is Tentri Amalia. She create and develop a while reading activity and discuss with the team the overall outcome of the project. And next, there is a challenge and solution, of course, during the make the project. There were many challenges that we went through for several weeks when making this teaching module. Among others, getting the module was difficult because the teacher did not call at all, because the teacher was busy, so we had to replace the teacher. Then when creating a Lumi through as a link, is it not possible, so that only one person is required to edit the Lumi. And also when we want to copy the link, we have the difficulty. We are required to explore more about Lumi. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ririn. So we're gonna move to the next material that will be explained by Rega. Rega, time is yours.
Okay, the next is about findings. The first is the results. We successfully develop a module and lesson plan for grade 11 students focused on analytical exposition text. And to make learning more interactive, we use Lumi, which offers tools like drag and drop, multiple choice questions, and flashcards. These features help students grasp the text structure, including theses, arguments, and reiteration, and distinguish between facts and opinions. The next is activities to enhance writing skills. For example, students create theses, statements, and arguments on their chosen topics. Reflection activities on Google Docs, such as summarizing and peer feedback, further encourage critical thinking and collaborations. However, we face one challenge. Time constraints prevent us from gathering teacher feedback. Despite this, the integration of technology like Lumi demonstrates significant potential for more engaging and effective learning. Moving forward, we aim to involve teachers for a more thorough evaluations. The next is the next is comparison with objectives. We happy to report that we successfully achieved the goals set for this project. This success was largely due to the careful selections of the best technology, Lumi, and innovative ideas that perfectly align with our learning materials and objectives. By focusing on these tools and strategies, we were able to create a learning experience that not only met the needs of the students, but also exceeded our expectations in terms of engagement and outcomes. Looking ahead, we have high hopes for the long-term impact of this project with further development, especially involving the teacher feedback. We believe this approach can continue to enhance student engagement and improve learning outcomes. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rega. So we move to the last material that will be explained by Raihana. So Raihana, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. So here I'm going to explain about the discussion. So the first one is, through this project, we were able to utilize technology in developing teaching modules. And then we also learned that we have to consider the technology that we'd like to use, whether it could give significant benefits for student or not, and whether the technology can easily accessed by the student or not. And last, through this project, our teamwork also improved a lot. Next. Okay, for the limitation, the first one is this project only relies on digital tools like Lumi, Google Document, and also Google Drive. And then we only use students from 11 grades from SMA Negeri 5 Kota Jambi, and the topic or the materials we use only analytical exposition text, and for the skills, we only focus on reading and writing skills. Next. And for the recommendation, future studies might examine Lumi education and other comparable tools whole feature set, examining the integration of various interactive components such as peer feedback and gamification system into writing education might improve learning result and engagement among the learners. That's all from me. Back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Raihana, for the presentation. And thank you for watching. This is all from us. We hope that the teaching scenario can be implemented in the future with technology. So that's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.